Hello, hello, it's Debbie Anthony from Chalk Pretty Things. It's great to see you. Hey, it's been a while since I've been able to get on live. So, sometimes things happen and we can't quite get on when we want to. Let me see if this is even showing. It doesn't look like it is. Let me try again. Uh-oh, it's not here, is it? Maybe it is. Okay, here. I'm here. Okay, so a while ago I placed my fall order when the launch came out for the new catalog and Christmas order, and I received it a while ago, but I've been kind of busy and I haven't been able to open it, and I wanted to kind of open it with you guys. So today I'm going to quickly go through what I ordered. It is a very large order, and I don't want to take up your time with a lot of it, but as you can see, it's a pretty hefty box. And I think I'm actually going to move it down so I can get things out and show you real quick. I'm very excited about this order. I love Halloween. I love Christmas a lot, but I think that I love Halloween just as much. And so I'm very excited about all the products that Chalk Couture has come out for the fall and the Halloween. So I'm going to get started by showing you guys my stencils. Let me see. Wow. I am so excited. I can't believe I haven't opened this before. Here we go though. Here's a little stencil, The Magic of Christmas. I hope you guys can see this okay. Might be a little bit too much glare. Some small ones, holiday calories don't count, Merry Christmas, and get your jingle on. I'm going to turn down this light just a little bit to see if I can get it so you guys might be able to see this better without any light. Let me see. Yeah, I think maybe without any light. Let me turn on this other light. I'm sorry to leave you guys, but like I said, I haven't been on for a while, and so I'm not quite prepared. Okay, so here's a December 25th one. Look at this cute one. This is for the pumpkin cutouts. Aren't they cute? I can't wait to do those with you guys. The most wonderful time of the year. These gnomes, you know, I'm not a big gnome fanatic, but I am kind of liking them more and more. I think they can be so cute. Oh, and I actually got two of those. I got some stars. Those are for the star cutouts. I'm going to have a big landslide here in a minute. I think this one really fascinates me. It's a bunch of spooky looking cats, and I think that would be so cool on a pillowcase or as a background for something else. 'Tis a season to be jolly. This is for our leaf cutouts. So you get wooden cutouts that are shapes of leaves. You apply these right onto them and you chalk on them, and they're amazing. I love all of our chunky shapes. They're smooth, they're painted white when they come in, and you can paint them different colors if you want to, and then add your chalk. And I just love the feel of these, and they come out so nice. Here's a cool Christmas tree with a couple deers. Here's some minis, Joy to the World minis. We have little tags that these could go on, like a gift tag maybe. We have round circles. They could decorate the sides of something else. They are really cute. Coffee, tea, hot cocoa, hug in a mug. I'll be home for Christmas. The Snow Rider sled. Wouldn't that be great on a tray? Has some hot chocolate on it. Here's some cute little wording. Hot chocolate, hot cocoa, better not pout, believe, holly jolly, let it snow. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Our story, our life, our home. Here's some cute deers. These are for the deer cutouts. Again, these are wooden shapes. You chalk on them and they're great for embellishing anything in your house. Here are some snowflakes. Believe, good tidings, rejoice. I guess I have another deer cutout. Oh, come, let us adore him. Hark the herald angels sing. Noel, Merry Christmas. These are older ones, but I didn't have them, so I wanted to get these letters. These are the, looks like they're the rustic font. I don't have my glasses on. That's pretty small. This home believes. There's a few more transfers. These are the smaller ones. Be merry and bright. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Reindeer crossing. Okay. So that looks like all my transfers that I got, and I just can't wait to use those. I can't wait. I did get one of the the rustic rounds. They're, I believe, 16 inches, 18 inches, 16 or 18, I can't read that number. And they're great for doing like welcome signs for your door. You can just make them a door hanging. You can put anything on them. I got a double-sided box frame. Some simple shapes. These are wooden. These are just a rectangle. Deer cutouts. So those transfers that with the deer on them, you apply them to these, you're good to go. Okay, here is something new. These are called the block set. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a long rectangular block here. And then there's one that's this wide and one that's this wide. So you can chalk on those and stand them up and make them say whatever you want to. You could do a Christmas countdown calendar, whatever your little heart desires. Isn't this adorable? It's a little Christmas tree cutting board. So this would be for decoration, and I think we have tree patterns that go on there if you'd like, or you could do whatever else you want with them. What else did I get? These are the pumpkin shapes, the gourds included. Those have cutouts that go on them. They're adorable. I can't wait to do those. And these are the wooden leaves, the wood cutouts for the leaves. I love all their cutouts, guys. I just truly, truly do. Here's a new product. They're little tiny 3-inch box frames. And you could put them a magnet on the back if you wished and put them on the refrigerator. You could do almost like a block display if you want to do like a Christmas countdown, like I said, or just little simple shapes in there and blend them. And the rest of this is all like paste. So they have some different paste palettes that come like a Christmas one, a fall one, and these are just the individual packets. So I got some of those. And then, oops, and here's one more shape. Oh, another leaf shape, good. This is the Christmas palette. They've got a couple cool, like this is shimmer spruce in there. That's a shimmer green, which would be so cool. And then I got a bunch of other pastes and inks. And here are the colors. Some are paste, some are ink. So some are new and some are not so new. But I got a bunch of paste, and I'm looking forward to using those Christmas shimmers. I always love the shimmers. They're so smooth, creamy, just a little bit of gleam to them. Not real glittery. And then I got just a few more paste packets. So that's my big delivery for this month. I'm so excited to use it all. I'm probably going to be back on live tonight. I'm going to do a project, but I really wanted to get this unboxed, and I wanted you guys to kind of see what some of the exciting new products are. These little tiny box frames, the wooden leaves, the new pumpkin cutouts, and this cute little, what do they call this? They call this a decorative tree cutting board. So you could decorate it and hang it if you wanted to, or you could, you know, it's just like a little serving thing, or you could decorate it and do whatever you want with it. I think these are going to be great. And I am very excited about these block shapes. I think there's a lot of things you can do with it. So I'm going to get off for right now. I wanted to get this unboxed. I look forward to working with you and doing a craft maybe tonight, and I'm going to be on more often because I've missed it so much. But, you know, sometimes our priorities change in life, and it certainly did for me. And so I'm going to get back to chalking. See you guys soon. Bye.